Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to clear Chrome cookies for one specific site only. So guys, just go ahead and navigate to YouTube for example, or any other website you want. And in here guys, in order to start, you just go ahead and launch this little menu right here for the settings. So it's, as you can see, right next to the address bar where you have the address of your site. Click here. Now you go to Cookies Inside Data, Manage On-Site Data. And now guys, what you need to do if you want to delete cookies, just choose firstly which cookies you want to delete. As you can see, we have 3 in this particular case, but all of them, of course, are related to one single domain and a website. And in order to delete, you can just go ahead and press on these trash cans right here next to each one, okay? And this will make sure that the cookie is deleted. And then when you reload the tab like this, you will be logged out of your accounts, of course, and cookies will no longer be present in your browser. They will be deleted. That is it. Enjoy, of course, as always, and thank you.